Yeah, good evening, friends. Once again, welcome back to my channel. As you know, I have shared so many videos regarding the roles and responsibility of different designation of farm industry. And today, I am going to discuss roles and responsibility of product manager. As you know, product manager is basically brain of the company. You can say why I'm saying brain because he is the person, yeah, product manager, group product manager. They are the person who are sitting in PMT department. There is a product management team. They decide what they need to launch. They decide the strategy for the particular brands or the group of brands, so that these can be a successful brands in a market. They give support to their field staff, what they should do, what they should not do for making a brand successful. So that's why it is called brain of the company. So the person who is interested to know, yeah, who is working as a in a field as a representative for last 2 3 years, or even the area manager, they want to enter a product management team. So they are here are the some I am discussing the roles and responsibility of product manager. At least they should know what product management team do. It may be product executive, product manager, group product manager. Okay, so just I am discussing one by one. The first, the introduction, like the primary role of product management in the pharmaceutical industry is to manage the existing product line of the pharma organization. It also brand establishment, brand building, and also new product launching and strategy for the pipeline products and execution is also there. Product manager is also responsible for providing the sales team with the necessary technical expertise to enable them to sell the product. You get all the technical support is given by PMT, so that they can sell the product. They field staff like medical representative or ASM or RSM, they can sell the product. Product manager is also responsible for reviewing product data to ensure that the field force is kept up to date or new developments regarding the companies or competitive brands. You're getting my point. They also provide the competitive what their competitive doing, some information. They also take feedback from the field staff what competitive activities are going on. So that is the main responsible for that. Product management is responsible. Product management is also responsible for stand-up meetings, talking to customer. He come for a field for all India basis. For region wise, they go and they meet a customer. They know they talk to customers regarding their any development, is there any feedback regarding from customer. Product backlog management is there, that is decided by product manager. Strategy planning, that is also a responsibility of product manager. Then data analysis. Data means as a sales data or marketing data, any type of data, they do all the analysis. So what product manager requires? Product manager requires, because it is the, I have discussed the all roles and responsibilities. But what product manager requires? Product manager requires knowledge of business, naturally, marketing, data analysis, technology, plus excellent communication and organization skills. Product management is rewarding yet challenging work, and it's rewarding as well as challenging work, both are there. And as far as qualification is concerned, generally industry is seeing any science graduate or pharmacy graduate and they have done MBA or MBA in pharmaceutical marketing. These people will prefer to hold this post for product manager. So this is the qualification is required basic. Then some experience, 2 3 years, that is enough. Their age should be 28 30, and they can start as a product executive. Then they can further promote. They can promote product manager, then group product manager, like this. So once again, come back to roles and responsibility. Product manager responsible for providing sales team with the necessary technical expertise, which I already discussed. Product training, launch training, any product launching. So generally PMT give the launch training for that product. All the dose, indication, whatever is the market, everything discussed by product manager. Responsible for reviewing product data. He is also in product data. He discussed all the clinical trials which is done about this particular brand or any data is there, which this is responsibility of product manager. And first referential of all product information. Any product launched, there is a lot of references required. The product manager collect all the references and share with field staff, and field staff share with the customers, our doctors. So that is all job of product manager, to ensure presented promotional material should use optimal, and also he has to plan the input promotional material, what should be planned for customers, and it should be used properly. Design market research, product manager has to design market research also, and also product manager responsible for preparing for product forecast. If any product is launched, so he has to do product forecasting, what will be the sale, what 1 month after month, what will be the sale will be there. That is all required by product managers, or you can say product manager team. And what are the skills required for product manager? That also you should know. First of all, product manager should be creative. That is very, that is main quality of a product manager. Whatever qualification you are having, if you are not creative, you are not thinking out of the box, thing will not work. You have to be creative. Second, I have discussed think out of box, generate new ideas. That is all skills of required for a product manager. And most, I have also discussed excellent product knowledge, strong science orientation, because product management, when he go in a field, he has to discuss a doctor, he should have a strong scientific knowledge, so he can share with the customers. That is required, which I nowadays I am finding missing. Any product manager, generally I am also worked in a regional level, and sometimes product manager come, they don't have that much of knowledge. They are literally becoming more only marketing oriented, but they should have, because they are from people from HO, and they are here to convert a doctor sometimes for their scientific references. So they should have all knowledge now. Then they can discuss. First they should know, then they can discuss with the customers. Then they should have analytical skills. They should do the all analysis of which the input they are getting from field, or from references. They should do all the analysis. They should have a very good communication skill, because product manager generally, when launching this meeting is there, so product manager comes and give the demo of new brands, give the all insights information. So he should have a very good communication skill. Leadership skill also there, because he has to lead at the time from a people, because generally you can say regional manager is a leader of a 18 to 20 people, zonal manager leader of a 40 to 50 people, sales manager leader of 50 people. But product manager basically he is in particular division, if 400 representatives are there, so he lead all these people. So he should have a leadership skill also. Leadership skills, so many skills are there, with that I have discussed in some of my videos, and I will discuss more. But he should have a leadership skills. And coordination with different department, that is a very much important for product manager, because he has to do this, he has to connect with dispatch department, he has to do connect with marketing department, he has to connect with product manufacturing, jahan plant is there, from there he has to also make coordination, because he is the person who basically taking care of all the things. He is planning samples, everything, import. He has to make coordination for promotional material provider. From they are going to purchase a gift, or some printing the data, printing reminder, for that they have a contact with publishing house also. So he is a basic coordination with different department inside the company and outside also, from anything which they need to do outsource from taking from other companies. Okay. Then he should have a focus on profitability of brands. The main job of product manager is to, their brand should be profitable to the organization. Then only their job will justified. So they have to make profitable brands. Suppose they launch brand, then initially they will do some investment, but after some time these products should contribute to revenue for the company. You're getting my point? Revenue means they should generate the sales, they should produce business. Create a strategy for making growth. Product manager should also create a strategy so that growth should come. Because whatever company, suppose company is doing 100 crore, if they launch 2 brands, so they should contribute some amount. Now from 10 crore, at this point company will become 420 crore. The next year become 440 crore. But these new brands should also contribute, so that company growth will be there. Train field staff. Many organizations it is there, initially training is given by training manager, then product manager also give training of product especially. Training manager gives only basic training, but product manager give their products training. You can ask for training manager is there for giving training. Training manager is there, but they give basic training only. They give anatomy, physiology, whatever medical is there that training manager discuss. But when it comes to a products, then product manager plays a role. They give training of their own products regarding what is the dose, the indication, their communication, detailing a story, whatever is there. All training is given by product manager. Identify competitor activities and action plan. That is also main function of, you can say, PMT team. They have to identify competitor activity from the HO. They take feedback from their field staff also. And during their joint work also, their job is to only find out the competitor activity, what is going on and what action plan they have. Suppose and competitor is doing any activity, they have differences some scientific information, then what action plan they are taking for their brand. So that is also do all this. Like I have told, data analysis, so they have a MAT data is there where they find out the moving annual sales figure of the 12 months, month by region by everything they find out from there only. So this is all for product managers. I have discussed all the things, skills. I have discussed about their roles and responsibility. I have discussed the what you should have, what skills you have, what product manager is there. Everything I have discussed. I think it is more than enough for your understanding. So any person who is joined in industry, they work 2-3 years as a medical representative because field experience is must. They can think for enter into PMP team. They can start with product executive, then slowly they after their experience they will become product manager, then they become group product manager. They can grow in that field, and these people can also taking care, become a head of marketing also, like GM marketing, all these things. From where they become a head of this marketing department. So friend, this is all for today video. I think you have liked this information, and if you like it, to kindly share with your friends. And till now, if you have not subscribed my channel, to kindly subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you will get notification of my coming videos. Thank you very much. Have a good day.